Hello friends, today we are going to discuss unsettled model law. So, what we are going to discuss, what is the unsettled model law? What are the different chapters which are available in unsettled model law, and what are the how that particular the law which is to be, and what kind of the sector which are available where the legal recognition which is to be provided by the unsettled model law. So in last lecture we are already discussed the things regarding what is cyber law, and what are the different different the legal recognition, that is the IT Act 2000, why that IT Act 2000 came into the exist, and what are the cyber crime, what are the categories of cyber crime, that is the cyber crime against the person, cyber crime against the property, and cyber crime against the government. So these are the things which we are already discussed in last lecture. So today we discuss the things unsettled model law. So what is unsettled model law? It stands for United Nations Commission on International Trade Law. So, what is this? Unsettled. Unsettled is stand for United Nations Commissions in International Trade Law. It was created by the General Assembly by its resolution 220521 of 17th of December in 1966. So, this was created with a mandate to promote the progressive harmonization and unification of the international trade law while keeping in mind the interest of all the human being. But in particular, those of developing the countries, the need of cyber model law, which was arise when it was felt that an increased number of transactions in international trade are carried out by means of electronic data interchange and other means of communication. So basically, when this law which is came into the exist, whenever the transaction which is to be going out through the electronic media, for example, electronic commerce. Now, the unsettled model law, which is to be what we can say that it is stand for United Nations Commission in International Trade Law, which is commercially arbitration with the amendment. This was amendment in 2006. It is designed to assist state in reforming and modernizing their laws on arbitral procedure so as to take into the account the particular features and needs of an international commercial arbitration. So the main things to develop this unsettled model law, which was whenever whenever the transaction which is to be going through the internet or online, at that time to provide the legal recognition to that transaction, the unsettled model law which was came into the exist on 17th December of 1966. Okay. Now next one is the commission. It gave it recommendation on the legal value of computer record. So these are the things which is to be already what we can say that this was created by the General Assembly of its resolution by the 2205 in the 17th December of 1966. The main thing is that there are different chapters which are available, and in that chapter different articles which are available, and which was amendment in the 1985 December 1985, and then the 2006 in this way the amendment which was there. So what is the main concept? To uh, create the unsettled model law to provide a legal recognition for the e-commerce. Okay. So in next lecture what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about the different chapters which are available in Unsettled model law. Okay, thank you.